you doing? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Malaysia. Hokkien prawn noodle. Super. Wow. So in like an hour and 45 minutes, I'm getting my COVID shot. I'm jazzed. I need that. I need one. But after that, I'll be able to go drink that neat new COVID soda. Isn't that the deal? No. I don't want to drink COVID soda. There we go. So, drop it into water. I used the right amount. One. There. Put these in and then I'll sit back down with you for 3 minutes before I start doing the thing. Paste. Okay, let's do the Ando Momofuku-san quotation. Guy who invented instant noodles. I'm really stoked. Now I know how to say it right. I always said Momofuku Ando. It's like, no, it's Ando Momofuku-san. This whole thing that I do with reviewing instant noodles and trying all this stuff is just it's just like an excuse to learn new things. So it's like, yep, there's an agenda. I like to learn stuff. I mean, you're gonna bake yams after the fire's gone out? That's what you're doing, you know? Love that quote. But number 231, an opinion with which everyone agrees cannot be trusted. Either that or, well, I guess that's saying that you just got a bunch of, what do they call them, yes men around you. Oh yes, it's beautiful. What a great idea you have. Wow. I'm sure you could have like yes men, yes women, yes anybody, but the term has always been yes men. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not supposed to do a bunch of physical exertion like 2 hours before, 2 hours after, no Tylenol, no ibuprofen, no drinking. That's fine, it's Thursday. And yeah, I'm just stoked. I think everybody should get it. Everybody everywhere. Or else. I think we should have fleets. There's like, you could make a solar-powered drone bee, and it would fly around, and as soon as it saw, it would have like a heat thing, and as soon as it saw a person, it would go and immediately give them a shot. Wouldn't that be crazy? How would it know though? They'd really have to have a lot of technology in these little things for them to communicate too. Yeah, I don't think solar power would be able to equip one of these things to go for very far or very long. But I could see it as something that could be maybe drone delivered vaccination. It's like, hello, I am a drone. I have the vaccine. If you would like vaccine, press this button here and we will give it to you now. Thank you. You have pressed in the affirmative. Push your put your arm up in this arm area as you see in the iconograms. Okay. Prepare for injection. You've been injected. I will be back in 2 to 3 weeks. Be ready. Thank you. That'd be kooky. I like bugs. I like bugs. Okay, you gotta see this. Why am I not showing you this? It's paste. Pasty paste. This is one thing that I've found people either love it or hate it, because and that's the way it is with a lot of seafood items. Because this stuff is strong. It's not like, oh yeah, it kind of tastes like shrimp. No, this is like super strong shrimp paste from Malaysia. You don't. This isn't to mess around with. I miss Malaysia. I want to go back. Bring me back, please. I want my kids to see Asia so bad. I want a nap. That's what I want. I just felt kind of crummy all day. I think it's because I haven't like worked out all the going to the bathroom, he says. I don't know. I like getting up every morning and doing a bunch of walking, and that totally like, I don't know. It does something. It does good things. But today I decided to do up the perfect fried egg narration and finalize the video. So now if you look up the perfect fried egg walkthrough or perfect ramen egg walkthrough, you'll see it. And at the end they kind of refer to each other, if you understand that. So if you get to the end of that video, you'll get to see the other one. It'll have a link. So do it if you want to learn how I do up eggs. Because eggs are really good in your noodles. Some people find that just like really disturbing, but strawberry shortcake. Look at that broth. Whammo. Very thick stuff. Very strong. Strengthy. All right, time for the egg. Speaking of egg. And a slice right there. One. And two. Okay, come here. I know I like this stuff, but I'm just gonna, for the guy who's like, he didn't even eat it. He didn't even eat it. Oh yeah. Wow. Good heat. Strong prawn flavor. Just excellent. I think I'm going to do another top 10 Malaysia list. And this will definitely be on that. There's a couple varieties of this style out there. They're both quite amazing. And now, the beauty that is the onion that comes with this. It's fried. And there's a good portion of it. Seeds. I'll do some pepper flake. Really doesn't need it, but can't hurt. And there we are. Let's get a move in here. There you go. Yeah, I highly recommend, if you haven't tried any MyKuali or stuff from Malaysia, it's time. It's your turn. Do it. Do it. Do it. And yeah, that's it for today for me. Yeah, I got a half an hour, then I got to start getting the kids ready to go. So, this has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. And yeah. Have a good one.